Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how easy it is to set online quizzes for formative assessment on Edmodo. With Edmodo quizzes, you won't end up with stacks of test papers to grade. In fact, your classroom can become completely paperless. With Edmodo's automated grading, students will know their score immediately after submitting their quiz, which they take from their smartphone or their computer. This means they won't have to wait anxiously for days or weeks for their test results. First, as a teacher, log into Edmodo and go to your class. Hit the plus symbol and select Create Quiz. Type in a title with some clear instructions and set a time limit. I've left mine on 60 minutes to cater for slow readers. Make sure the box to show results to students is ticked so that they get their score straight after the test. Then select a question type. I've chosen multiple choice because these can be graded automatically. If you'll need to type a question, and you can attach a document if you need to. I'm attaching a course outline as a Word document because I want them to know what we're studying this term. Make sure you type the choices and don't forget to tell Edmodo which one is the correct answer so that it can grade it for you automatically. I'm giving 1 point for one correct answer. Then add a new question. This time I'm creating a true-false question. Again, I have to tell Edmodo which is the correct answer. Next, I'm going to create a new question type which is of the matching type. Then type in your question on the left-hand side and the matching answers on the right-hand side. Don't worry about the order of the answers. Edmodo will randomly mix and jumble them up for you automatically. Leave Add to Gradebook checked so that you have a record of their scores saved in the built-in Edmodo gradebook. Then set a realistic and flexible deadline for students to finish the quiz. Include the time allowed and click Assign. When a student logs onto Edmodo, they can see from the notifications icon that a quiz has been set by the teacher. They click on it to take the quiz, and then they can click on the Word document, read it, and select their answer. Again, they can read the document again, answer the questions, and finally, they can do the matching type questions by dragging like this before they click Submit Quiz. The student scores show up immediately right here, and they can also click on Review Quiz to see which ones they got right or wrong, but only if the teacher has enabled this option. On the teacher's Edmodo account, they can see that the student has submitted the quiz and see their score. That's all there really is to quizzes. I'll create a separate video on how to set quizzes with fill in the blank type questions and short answer questions. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe for more free videos.